Hey guys, Luke here. Today we're doing another video. If you saw my other video, I said this was going to be a video on cooking the things. Curra. Native freshwater curra. And in this video you're going to be watching me eat the curra. So is it ready?
Yeah, you can tip them out on the seat now.
Okay.
Now just hold this and do it when you do it.
Well, wait, we need to turn the oven off.
Don't touch the steel bit.
Then can you hold it? Can you hold it?
You filming? What?
Oh God, it's steamy. Okay.
Tip them on you.
Okay. Okay. So, what do we do? We have to pull it apart and stuff. Okay. We'll get ready to film it. Okay. So this is gonna be me eating it. See you next. Okay, guys. What we need to do for the seasoning, we need to get some salt. So we've got the thing all pulled apart. Look at that. Just saying, guys, this is my first time ever trying this. So it's gonna be hard. Shut up for the little one. Oh no. Comment down below if you like. These are freshwater crayfish, but put this down if you like crayfish. So what we need to do now is we need to season it. So let's do the little one. Little bit. Shit, that's not little. Okay.
What are they trying to bulls in New Zealand?
I really don't want to do this.
Alright. Yeah.
Mom,
I heard the name.
I'm gonna eat it.
Luke's eating his curls.
Okay. Okay, ready?
No, he's fucking around with it at the moment.
3, 2, 1.
He's eating it. Oh, he's chewing it. Ah, beautiful. Nice, eh? Nice, eh?
What?
Is that on YouTube? He's filming it on YouTube. Oh, I'll have a look at that when everything comes down. He's like a fucking madhouse.
I swallowed that.
Yeah. I gotta clear.
Mum, I swallowed it, but I hated it.
Oh, you're filming it.
I know, it's hard. You tried it.
I've eaten mine.
No, you only tried like the tiniest piece. Oh, what's that? It's a like.
That's sweet. It's beautiful. Nice. Beautiful.
Suck that out.
I'm not into guts. You can eat the claws.
Oh, you can?
You have to get a knife and smash it.
Wait
Bang
there.
it with a hammer.
My knife.
Savings on new Holdings and Holdings massive clearance sale.
Oh, I ain't turning up because we're at the table, Ross.
Got my knife.
Hey, how proper.
Oh.
Ready, stand up.
I don't know if you could see this, but ready?
Yee-hoo! Yee-hoo!
This ain't doing it. This ain't doing a single thing. Shoot. What about just go? Oh God! It hurt. Oh. Think. Oh. I don't know how you get in there.
Papa's turn.
Yo, what if you eat the legs? Could you eat the legs, Dad? Oh, you can.
P-I-N.
Oh my god, my niece is coming.
K-I-N-T-I.
Say hello! Say hello! Say hi! Oh god. She's got her own little phone. Look at her phone. Okay, that's weird. Anyway, back to the thing. Time to eat this.
Yeah, well, I'm watching this.
Oh, that guy. That's what you're talking about.
Hey!
Jesus, mate.
I bet they had the hardest part. Ew, I think this one's a woman. Ew, show you its eyeball? Ew, its eyeball's rock hard. I remember when this was still alive. Oh god, look at its mouth. Look at it. Oh god. So we need to rip those things. Oh god. Oh. Oh, that tastes yuck. What's in its mouth? Is it like any leftover food from in its mouth? I'm opening its stuff all the way apart. I think I'm not even that. If you hear that, it's my niece in the background. She left her phone. She's off. Look at it. I just ripped like its stuff off. Look at this mess I've made. I don't want to try anymore. But if you're me, like, bro, you would not want to try anymore. Oh! It's like yolky, like when you haven't thinged an egg, like cooked an egg, it's all yolky. No, let's pick it up like that. I can pick it up like this. Weird. Okay, guys, if you like this video, remember to subscribe, like, for more videos like this, because that was just so fun. One of my best videos I've ever made. So remember to smash that like button. Yeah. We'll see you in another video. Bye!